We are all set to leave. Avyuk, Harjai, Harsh. Hello, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Mommy. And I am the dad. दिख रहा हो? Vlogging का no experience, but still. कीचुअस रहा है. कीचु कह रहे कोई experience नहीं पापा को. कोई experience नहीं पापा को.
Hi.
So today we are traveling to Delhi, finally, and after a lot of consultation with the doctors, obviously the first person you go to is the doctor to ask whether we can travel, whether it is safe, because we had too many, ideas of how we can reach Delhi at this time during the pandemic. So we were considering train and road by road, but our doctor insisted that we take the flight. Apart from the doctor's suggestion, I think Google was our best friend to find out what all do we need to take care of.
And we are all set now. I have a baby kit that I'm carrying in my diaper bag for Avyukt, and it has all necessary items.
So we've reached the airport well on time, and we are flying with Vistara. Our bags are checked in, as you can see, and we'll be collecting the boarding passes. Moving on to the security check. So this is Avyukt's first flight. Show me the tickets. Here's Divya and here's Avyukt. I think we should get this boarding pass framed. This is his first boarding pass.
There's milk, there's hot water, there are diapers, and there's pacifier, and everything that's required. And of course, we are carrying a lot of sanitizer because that's a need of the hour. Luckily, Mama is with us. She's accompanying us. That's a lot of support, moral support especially.
So we are done with the security check. It went smoothly, although I had to open up the blue suitcase that I'm carrying because it had my Mac Pro, Mac Mini, and all my music equipment that I'm carrying with me. Apart from that, everything happened pretty quickly, and now we are all set. We are here before time. Now we'll be sitting and waiting for the boarding call. So how are you feeling, Divya?
I'm
A little claustrophobic because of the mask?
Yes, I am, but I'm really excited to reach Delhi. I hope this journey comes to an end soon and it ends well. It started well, I hope it ends well too. Avyukt is so happy with his grandmother. He feels at peace.
ये तो रॉबिन जैसी लग रही है, पता? उसमें थी ना हाउ आई मेट योर मदर में.
कुछ लोग ऐसे सॉलो करके नहीं पी पाते, पता नहीं क्यों. एक एक घूंट करके पीते हैं.
ये मैं पानी.
अच्छा.
अभी अमृत बन चुका है.
फोटो से लगाया
लगाए ना, लेकिन वो
It's raining. 2 दिन से इतनी लगातार बारिश हो रही है बॉम्बे में. हम इतने टेंशन में थे कि पता नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे नहीं, टाइम पे फ्लाइट होएगी या नहीं. कल रात से सब टेंशन में हैं. बहुत सारी टेंशन थी, उनमें से एक टेंशन ये थी. बट फाइनली वी रीच्ड. वी स्टार्टेड एट 7:15 for a 10:15 flight, 7 o'clock from our house, and the airport is just 20 minutes away. तो हमने फिर भी कोई रिस्क नहीं
पिछले
लिया।
एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे जो रहे हैं,
हाँ, एक बार हमने बहुत
1.5 घंटा लगा था एयरपोर्ट पर बारिश में।
दो घंटा, उसके बाद भी वो एक फ़्लाइट स्किड हो गई थी रनवे पे, इसलिए हमने अपनी वाली पकड़ ली, अदरवाइज़ वो निकल जाती। तो आज हमें वो चांस नहीं लेना था।
फिलहाल हालात कुछ इस तरह के हैं।
विस्तारा
But we're flying with Vistara, so I'm not so worried. See the baby, baby. Baby कहाँ है, baby कहाँ है, baby कहाँ है? ये रहा baby. ओले, ओले. ये तो रैबिट है। कह रहे हाँ मैं हूँ, क्या कर लोगे फिर आप? दादी के पास सो रहा है किचू। लिफ्ट में उसका लिंक डाल देंगे ज़रा। ठीक है, यू कंफर्टेबल? यू कैन सी, वेट, लेट मी फील दिस।
Just take a baby and then do it like this around the baby.
Around the
You
baby.
can just be careful.
Am I supposed to feed him or something while we taking off if he's sleeping? Is it okay? Am I supposed to do something particular?
Yeah, I'll just brief you. I'll just first fasten.
Yeah.
I'm scared so tiny. Okay, just hold it.
He slept through the flight.
इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे के टर्मिनल 3 पहुंच गए हैं। आपकी जानकारी के लिए विस्तारा की सभी उड़ान और अन्य अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ान इसी टर्मिनल से प्रस्थान करेंगे।
So as we were saying, we were quite scared because it was his first flight. But anyway, we landed and it was a very good flight. He slept through the flight. बस एक बार उठा था for like 5 minutes and then again he slept. So yeah, all's well. Yay, दिल्ली पहुंच गए। पैंडेमिक की वजह से मेरे घर से कोई आ नहीं पाया था बेबी के टाइम पे। हम
और
किसी
वैसे
से
भी
नहीं मिल
दिव्या
पाए।
was on bed rest
Yeah.
for 6 months
Yes.
due to some complications.
But all's well that ends well.
Yes.
से देखोगे आप, कितने ध्यान से। अच्छी लग रही है आवाज, अच्छी लग रही है, अच्छी लग रही है,
सो रहे हो
अच्छी लग रही है।
चूरा, ये चू